I'll be changing a serpentine belt today and a belt tensioner, and idler pulley hasn't come in yet, but I'm gonna go ahead. I think it's a pretty good time to change this belt. Yeah, I guess it's a good thing I quit driving it. I noticed that. Alright, I don't know why Ford has this design here, but I thought I was gonna have to go around my fan, which I didn't. The only obstacle you got here is this one hose, and I guess just pull that off and loop your new belt on, and I'll be changing that belt tensioner down there. I'm gonna show you what I did here. I just took these 3 bolts that hold this tank on, just so I could pull it back out of my way a little bit to get to the tensioner. I didn't undo the hose or anything. I did disconnect that hose for the overflow. And I'm going to show you. This is the original one. And like I'd seen on someone else's video about it being kind of cockeyed, or I don't know if that means anything, but I'm going to put the new one on. This one, the whole head here rotates. This one looks like just the it's pulling on the right rotates, and the left one is stationary. Feels a little lighter. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Definitely a different brand. This one was it says Dually. I don't know what brand that is, but anyway, I got this off of Amazon. I thought there was a number I could give you there, but yeah. Anyway, there was a question on what belt went on it. Sorry, the wind blew my box away. So the new belt I put on that number, and that's no cold. Alright, well, I got the belt back on, and the tensioner, you'll want to tighten up that bolt to 32 foot-pounds, or that's what I've seen online. So, and that's a 13 millimeter, and that's it. Wait for my idler pulley to come in, and I'll swap that out.